Hello. Today I would like to introduce about the topic diabetes. Diabetes is increasing in America. Diabetes is occur when your blood sugar is too high. In American today, diabetes is a current concern. To reduce the increasing diabetes, it is necessary to change lifestyle. First, we briefly look at the problem that associated with increasing diabetes, and we examine the contributing the causes. And lastly, we propose the solution to reduce diabetes increasing. The increasing in diabetes affects human body negative that can lead to death. High blood sugars levels are harmful to human health, such as heart attack, problem with eyes and kidneys and legs. According to Diabetes and Complication 2022, it indicates that diabetes can cause blindness and problem with eyes, heart attack, stroke, and less eyes. Diabetes long-term affect to health of body that damage large and small blood vessels. That's called to human. The increase in diabetes is harmful to human body organs, which led to death. According to World Health Organization, 2022, in 2014, there is 8% of people over 18 years old increase diabetes. High blood sugar level in long term affects negative to human body. Over time, diabetes with no treatment can cause death to human. The most two significant factors driving to increasing diabetes are unhealthy diets and inactivity lifestyles. Unhealthy diet increasing diabetes. According to Diets and Diabetes 2021, those who concerns about diabetes and pre-diabetes avoid unhealthy food which adds more sugar, sodium, and fat. Diet high foods with fat, calorie that increase the risk of diabetes. An inactivity lifestyle increasing diabetes. According to Diabetes UK 2012, the study states that those who sit for a long time, which is a double risk of increasing diabetes. Daily inactivity helps weight loss and prevent the risk of diabetes. Lifestyle change will help reduce diabetes increasing. Lifestyle change such as weight loss and diet in healthy and participate in physical activity can reduce the risk of diabetes. To participate in a program of diabetes education, that is a way to manage diabetes. To show the increasing diabetes in America, I propose lifestyle change. First, we have a look at the problem that's associated with contributing causes, and we examine the contributing the causes of increasing diabetes. And lastly, we propose the solution to produce diabetes increasing. Thank you so much.